Today I came to visit one outlet called Bengaluru Brand Warehouse. This is an exclusive retail outlet. This comes in a street called JP Nagar 3rd phase, which comes in Bengaluru, India. The landmark for this place is this Cafe Khadia. You can just have a look. This is a landmark Cafe Khadia. Right opposite to this, here is outlet is there. So this is a studio. You can just have a look. This is an exclusive retail studio for men, women, kids, A to Z. Clothes and footwear you will get here. This is an exclusive retail studio and there are changing room also. There's one more section. You can just have a look where entire t-shirts, men's clothes is there. You will get ladies clothes also, kids clothes also, footwear also you will get. So all details are there in the video and description below. If you want any more detail, contact them. They'll send you all detail. It's introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Krishna. Hi Krishna, welcome to the show. Think about the studio, what you will get here?
So it's Bengaluru Brand Warehouse. We are mostly into premium family store.
Okay, and you will get footwears also.
Yes, we get men's, women's, ladies footwear.
How many
accessories.
How many years over for you in business?
This store is about 4 years old. This store is in JP Nagar location.
Okay, and what is the timing?
Timing, we start at 11 o'clock in the morning and we close at 9:30.
Sundays?
Sundays we open at the same time.
And this is only offline, no online?
Yes, we are purely offline.
Krishna, what do you want to show? You can just show a glimpse,
Yes,
no problem.
So this is a glimpse of our ladies department.
Okay, what and all we'll get in
dresses.
ladies clothes?
We have western dresses, cargo
Okay.
pants,
Okay.
office kurtis.
Okay, you can just see a glimpse, you'll get everything over here. And like almost 20 to 30% discounted price this is?
Yes, it's minimum about 30% to 70% of it.
So you'll get everything here, western wear, Indian wear, you'll get kurtis also.
You get dresses.
Alright, okay, and this collection keeps getting updated in how many days?
Sir, we try to update all our collection about in 3-4 days of turnaround time.
And this
So-
purely offline, there is no single piece online, nothing is there online.
Yes.
So please don't call for that. And this all other tops you can just check here. Okay. So this is ladies section.
Yes, this is our ladies section.
Nice. Well, like how much varieties you having? Like 200, 300 in western wear?
Yes, easily 200, 300 varieties in Western.
So you can just see a glimpse. You get everything. We don't want to show each and everything. You can just have a glimpse. And then next, what do you want to show? Kids.
This is our kids collection.
In kids and all, you'll get like basically shirt, t-shirt, jeans, everything you'll
Yes,
get, right?
in kids we start at 0 and we go up to 60.
You'll get jackets also. So if you want to buy for yourself, you can visit the outlet.
Yes.
And you're getting here for discounted price also, and changing room is also there.
Yes.
So boys, girls,
Right.
born baby also will get here.
Yes, born babies also.
Okay, so for born baby also you'll get here. You can just have a look. All the selections. This is a total retail outlet, and online it's not there. You have to come here and purchase. This all are the collection. Very big outlet, and they're into this business from many years. After this, what do you want to show, Krishna? These are kurtis.
Yes.
Okay, so these are the collections of the kurtis. You can just have a look. You get kurti set also here.
No, sir, we sell only office kurtis. single.
Only tops.
Only tops.
Okay, and do you get cord set also here?
Yes, cord sets also.
Okay, so
Western
these are the
cord
collections of the kurtis. You can just have a look. So if you want kurtis, that option is also here. Lot of varieties are there, more than 200 varieties. Again, you can visit. They'll tell you all the price. Online, nothing is there. These are the jackets, denim jackets. You'll get for men's also, right?
Yes, men, women and kids.
These all are the jackets. You can just check winter jackets, denim jacket, extreme temperature jackets also you'll get. Again, ladies tops and all. And then what about this section? Wow, this is amazing. Shoes.
These are our footwear section.
Superb. You can just have a look. Very big. This is a total retail outlet. You have to come to the outlet only. Online, it's not there. You'll get for men, women, kids, shoes, slippers, everything you're getting. This section.
So this is our men's bottom section.
Okay.
We get denims, cotton pants, shorts, cargo pants, loose pants, Korean pants.
Everything
We have
you
a
get.
massive collection. Of
Okay. Krishna, what about this section?
This is our men's
Wow.
upperwear section.
Superb.
We get jackets, shirts, t-shirts,
Okay.
all the upperwear here.
In t-shirt, you must be having 300, 400 varieties, I think, right?
Yes, very easy. And we have t-shirts up to 5XL size.
5XL plus size also you'll get here.
Yes.
Round neck, hoodies, collar. You have to come here to select.
Yes, we get
They get
all
everything.
kinds of imported material also.
By seeing this much only you can make it out. We don't want to show you single piece, so you can just check. T-shirts you'll get here. Nice. Plus size also you'll get.
Yes, plus size
Okay.
also.
And again on this also almost whatever price is there, 20-30% discount is there, right?
Yes, sir. More
Okay.
than it's between 30 to 70% discount.
And you'll get cotton, lycra, all types of fabrics you'll get in the collections of the shirts.
yes,
You'll get half shirts and full shirts also.
yes, half shirts.
Very
full
nice.
shirts.
You'll get party wear shirts and it's only offline, no online. Okay. In men's shirts, what is the last size you're getting here?
5XL, 6XL.
5XL. Plus size also you'll get. That means half.
This is our oversized t-shirt collection.
Okay.
We have a massive collection in oversized t-shirts.
Plus size. Wow.
Oversized t-shirts.
Nice.
Drop shoulders.
Superb.
So
Okay.
nowadays.
In this, how much collections you having?
Per size, you will get about 50 colors
Okay.
at any given point.
Nice. And fabric is also very nice. Quality is very nice. Yeah, like superb. This is.
So you get all trendy prints.
If you ask me, you're almost getting for wholesale price.
Yes, almost wholesale price.
Okay, nice. T-shirts. Okay, you get plus size jeans also, plus size shirts also.
Yes, we have jeans up to size 50.
Okay, size 50 you will get. Wow. Okay. So Wind Up, I just want to tell that this is one of the best retail studio where you're getting everything for men, women, kids. Will highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love their quality and clothes. Then it's up to you. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great